So hello guys, today we are going to solve merge to sorted list. Okay, so we can do it by using linked list, but we are going to try it with recursion. So yes, we can use recursion, or we also use backtracking in other another video. So here I want to start. So you can see here the problem number 21 from LeetCode merge two sorted list. Okay, so you are given the head of two sorted listed list one and list two. Merge the list into one sorted list. The list should be made by slashing together the node of the first two list. Okay, so here I am going to solve it by using recursion, so we don't need any kind of node. Okay, so this is the class, this one is the class, and this is the function, and here this is the parameter self list one and list two. Okay, and after that I need to write code. Here if not list one, if not list one colon return list one, return list one. uh, Similarly we can do for list 2. If not list 2, we can return list 1 here. If not list 1, we can return list 2, and if not list 2, we can return list 1. Okay, so again I want to define one condition. List 1 list 1 list 1 is less than, sorry, list 1 dot next dot value, list 1 dot value is less than list 2 dot value colon list 1 dot next equals to self dot merge to list. Okay, so inside of this self dot merge to list, list 1 dot next comma list 2, and return list 1. We can write same for list 2, list 2 dot value list 1 dot next, return list 1. Okay, so I need to write else condition, not if. So here else colon list 2 dot next, list 2 dot next equals to self dot merge to list. Here list 1 comma list2 dot next and return list2. So now I am going to check. So I have got error. Now I am going to check what is the error. Okay, so there is an indentation problem. Okay, so I got runtime error. Oh, I got error because of this return. Okay, so this is return which should be inside this if condition of the. Okay, so I think you got it. So this is our uh, test result that is accepted. Now we are going to move in collab notebook. Okay, so here you can see guys, I have created one class and one function, list1 and list2. Okay, so I have two lists, list1 and list2. I already passed it as a parameter. So if not list1, return list2. If not list2, return list1. Okay, so if list1 is value of list1 is less than value of list2, so list1 dot next equals to self dot merge to list. Okay, so inside this list1 dot next comma list2, return list1, else list2 dot next equals to self dot merge to list1 comma list2 dot next and return list2. Okay, so here we can see by using example. So list I have list 1 to 4 and list 2 1 3 to 1 3 4. Okay, so compare and pick in order what the function choose at each call. Okay, so here we need to pick one from list 1 and one from list 2. Okay, so we can see list and 1 is less than 1, so this is the wrong because 1 equals to 1. So pick one, so picks list choose one, output start one, and now solve merge. Okay, so we can pick one from list two, and we have merge list like 1 2 4 as it is, and 3 4 uh, 3 4 because we choose one from here. Okay, so you can see this one, list dot next and list 2. So this one list 2 and this is the list dot 1, list 1 dot next. Okay, so here again we can see this is our new list 1 and list 2. Here I can pick 1 from list 1 and 3 from list 2. Okay, so we compare 1 3, so 1 is less than 3, so we need to pick 1 from list 1. Okay, so our output become 1 and 1. Okay, so 1 and 1, 1 for previous comparison and another one from this comparison. Okay, and now solve merge. Now we are going to solve merge 2 4 and 3 4. Okay, so here we can pick 2 from list 1 and 3 from list 2. Okay, so here you can see pick 2. Okay, here we pick because 2 is less than 3, so we are going to pick 2 from list 1 and output our output is 1 1 2. Now merge equals to our merge equals to 4 and 3 4. Okay, here you can see this one 4 and 3 4. This is the list 2 and this is the list 1. So now we are going to compare 4 and 3. 4 from list 1 and 3 from list 2. Okay, so 4 is greater than 3, not less than. So pick 3 and output equals to 1 1 2 3. And now merge 4 and 4. Okay, so here compare 4 and 4. Pick list 2's 4. Okay, so our output 1 1 2 3 4. And now merge 4 and list 2 is none. Okay, so merge 4 and none, return 4, final result 1 1 2 3 and 4 4. I think guys you got it. This is the problem from LeetCode. Uh, LeetCode merge two sorted list, so you can solve it by linked list. Now I am going to solve with the help of recursion because we are studying recursion right now. So that's it. Guys, please do share, subscribe and like and comments. Bye bye, take care.